Next, I will go with Cauer form. Okay, first form 1 and 2 completed. Now I am going with Cauer form. Okay, Cauer form 1 and 2. This is second half of fifth unit we are discussing. I am going with Cauer form now. Okay, Cauer form also we have Cauer form 1, Cauer form 2. Okay, again we have RL network, RC network, LC network. Similar 6 combinations are there in Cauer form also. First form 6 combinations are there. Cauer form also 6 combinations. Now we are dealing with Cauer form. Okay. Now you see here these two circuits, we have LC network. Okay, we have LC network. L comes in the series branch, that is Cauer form 1. L comes in the series branch, that is Cauer form 1. And L comes in the parallel path, that is Cauer form 2. These two circuits are LC network only. These two circuits are LC network only. First circuit is Cauer form 1. Second circuit is Cauer form 2. What we are trying to calculate is Z of S. Okay. Admittance we are trying to calculate. Earlier in the first form also, we were trying to calculate admittance and impedance and admittance only. Okay. You check the diagrams. We are trying to calculate admittance and impedance only in first form. Similarly, in Cauer form, we are calculating Z of S, impedance only. This is Cauer form 1 if inductor is in the series branch. This is Cauer form 2 if inductor is in the parallel branch. Okay. And both of these are LC network. Next, I am going with RL network. RL network means components to be used only resistor and inductor. Okay, only resistor and inductor are the components to be used in Cauer form RL network. Again, Cauer form 1, Cauer form 2 is there, and these are the two circuits. You see here, these are the two circuits. Okay, this is Cauer form 1, this is Cauer form 2. What you understand? In Cauer form 1, inductor will be given highest preference. It will come in the series branch. Okay, in Cauer form 1, inductor will be given highest preference. It will come in the series branch. If it is LC network, L comes in the series, C comes in the parallel in Cauer form 1. If it is RL network, L will come in series, R will come in parallel in Cauer form 1. Okay. And now in Cauer form 2, L will be always taken. If L is there, it will taken in the parallel branch only. So here in Cauer form 2, you can see L is taken in the parallel branch. In LC network also, in Cauer form 2, L is taken in the parallel branch, C is taken in the series branch. Here, R is taken in the series branch. Okay, Cauer form 2 means inductor in the parallel branch. Okay, if it is RL or LC network. Now, another thing is there, RC network. Without inductor, what happens? Then, second preference. After inductor, which will be given preference? After inductor, which will be given preference? This is RC network. Okay, only components are resistor and capacitor. Only components are resistor and capacitor. You can see here, again, two circuits are there. Okay, this is Cauer form 1 in RC circuit, Cauer form 2 in RC circuit, and in Cauer form 1, after inductor, resistor will be given highest preference. After inductor, resistance will be given higher preference in Cauer form 1. So resistor will come in the series branch, capacitor will come in the parallel branch. Okay. In Cauer form 2, the resistor which is given preference, it comes in the parallel branch. So because no inductor, parallel branch resistor over means capacitor is balanced. So capacitor will come in the series branch. Okay. 6 circuits I have shown you in Cauer form. 6 circuits I have shown you. RC network Cauer form 1, Cauer form 2. LC network Cauer form 1, Cauer form 2. And RL network Cauer form 1, Cauer form 2. Okay. 6 circuits I have shown you. When I will copy this into a single image, I will try to put it in a single image. Whenever you see the heading Cauer form, okay, in the question paper, whenever you see the heading Cauer form, okay, whenever you see the heading Cauer form, draw all the 6 circuits with correct proper headings. Draw all the 6 circuits with correct proper headings. Okay. Now I will go and explain how to solve, okay, in Cauer form, how to solve the problems. So everywhere in Cauer form, it is division only. Whatever transfer function given, numerator is taken as, you see here one problem. One transfer function is given, numerator is taken as the dividend, denominator is taken as the divisor. Okay, you can see here, Numerator is taken as the dividend 2s power 5 plus 12s cube plus 16s, and denominator s power 4 plus 4s square plus 3, that is taken as divisor. This division slowly step by step you have to do the division. What is the quotient coming up? What is the quotient coming up? That will be alternatively LC, LC, LC like that, and you have to put them in the diagram. You have to put them in the diagram. Okay. In the question itself, they have mentioned it is LC network. Question itself, they have mentioned it is LC network, and first Cauer form they have mentioned. First Cauer form means L will be given more importance. So first quotient will be starting with L. First quotient will start with L. Next value is C. Next value L. Next value C, like that. Because Cauer form 1, when inductor is there, inductor will be given highest preference. So first quotient will be inductor value only. Okay. In Laplace domain, it is 2s, but inductor value is 2 henries. Inductor value is 2 henries. So in the circuit, they will start with 2 henries. You can see in the circuit, they will start with 2 henries. Okay. Alternatively, the quotients will come LC, 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 like that. You put L value here, next C value, next L value, next C value, next L value. Okay. Until remainder 0 comes, you have to properly do the division. In Cauer form, always division is the procedure. Okay. I have showed you one problem. Another problem, you see here numerator denominator is given. This is again LC network, but it is second Cauer form. Second Cauer form means what? Inductor will come in the parallel branch. Inductor will come in the parallel branch. So initially it will start with capacitor. So in the division, the first value will come as capacitor. Division, first value will come as capacitor. As usual, when transfer function is given, numerator should be taken as the dividend. Numerator should be taken as the dividend. Denominator should be taken as the divisor. Denominator should be taken as the divisor. But in Cauer form 2, okay, numerator you have to write in the reverse order. Reverse order means what? 3 will be the first term. 3 plus 4s square plus s power 4. First term start with constant. In all Cauer forms, okay, dividend numerator, you start writing from right to left and do the division process. Because it is Cauer form 2, inductor will come in the parallel branch. So first value will start with capacitor. So first quotient is nothing but capacitor value. First quotient is nothing but capacitor value. Alternatively, you will get inductor value, capacitor value, okay, inductor value. So in the circuit diagram, you will start with this is the calculation I was doing. This is the calculation I was doing. In the circuit diagram, you will start with capacitor, next inductor, capacitor, inductor, until remainder 0 comes. Whatever quotient is there, alternatively, you write in the diagram. I have discussed problem only with LC network. Same method for RL network, RC network also. Whenever transfer function is given, okay, you go with the division procedure. Whenever transfer function is given, you go with the division procedure, okay. In the Cauer form 1, inductor will be given highest preference, then resistor will be given next preference, that they will come in the horizontal. And in the Cauer form 2, capacitor will be given higher preference, and then inductor will come in the parallel branch. Inductor will come in the parallel branch, highest preference, and then resistor will come as the second preference. Okay. In Cauer form 2, in the question itself, they will mention whether it is Cauer form 1 or 2. Based on that, you have to decide first quotient is what. Okay. Whenever Cauer form 2 is there, you have to write the dividend numerator from right to left in the division process. Okay. These are the shortcuts you have to remember, and you do the division process accordingly, identify and write the values in the circuit diagram. Very easy, 5th unit. Okay. So I have discussed low pass filter, high pass filter, forced form and Cauer form. Okay. 5th unit completed.